Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we completed properties of different integrals and few problems based on the properties. In today's session, few more problems we will discuss based on different integration properties. Okay? Now, first question. Okay, it is a 14th video. First question: evaluate integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx by 1 plus root tan x. We need to evaluate the given integral. Okay, let us see how to find this value. First, I am taking the given integration is I, pi by 6, pi by 3, 1 by root 1 plus root tan x dx. Now here I am using one property. What is that property? Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So what is the meaning of property? In place of x, we need to substitute a plus b minus x. A is pi by 6, b is pi by 3. Then I is equal to, now this is equation 1. I equals to integral pi by 6, pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus under root of tan. In place of x, we need to substitute a plus b minus x, that is pi by 6, pi by 3 minus x dx. Pi by 6 means 30, pi by 3 means 60, 30 plus 60 90. Therefore, I equals to integral pi by 6, pi by 3, then 1 by under root of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus under root of tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Then I equals to integral pi by 6, pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus root cot x dx. Why? Because for 90 tan is changed to cot. Next, this cot can be written as 1 by tan. I equals to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus that root cot x can be written as 1 by root tan x, because cot is reciprocal of tan. Now take the LCM. I equals to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, then 1 by root tan x into 1 root tan x plus 1 by root tan x dx. Now this root tan x go to numerator. Then I equals to pi by 6 to pi by 3 this root tan x go to numerator. Now what you will get? Root tan x by root tan x plus 1 dx. This is equation 2. So finally add 1 and 2. In equation 1 I is there. Okay. Now here also I is there. I plus I 2y. 2y is equal to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3. In equation 1 what is numerator? 1. In equation 2 what is numerator? Root tan x. And this equation 1 what is denominator? 1 plus root tan x. Here also 1 plus root tan x. So 1 plus root tan x. Now both gets cancelled. After cancellation these two, what we get? 1 is remaining. Then 2y equals to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 dx. What is integration of 1? X. Then 2y is equal to x between the limits pi by 6 and pi by 3. First we need to substitute upper limit minus we need to substitute lower limit. Then 2y is equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Now 2y is equal to what is LCM of 3 and 6? 6 is LCM. 3 you multiply 2 times. Minus 6 multiply 1 time. Then 2y is equal to pi by 6. Then I is equal to pi by 12. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Next. Okay, next we will discuss one more question, that is evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. It is the next question. Okay, listen. How to find the value of this? Same method. First, let I is equal to given question. What is it? 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. This is I. And it should be taken as equation 1. Now here I am using one property, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So what is the meaning of this property? In place of x we need to substitute a minus x. A means what? Pi by 2. Then I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin. In place of x we need to substitute a minus x. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. This is equation 2. Now I am adding 1 and 2. I plus I, that is 2i. That equals to 0 to pi by 2. Here what is the function? Log sin x plus log cos x dx. For this I am adding and subtracting log 2. Okay. Now 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x plus log 2 minus log 2. One log 2 is added, one log 2 is subtracted. In place of these three, log a plus log b plus log c can be written as log abc. Then 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2. I can write log 2 sin x cos x minus log 2 dx. In trigonometry, we have formula for 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is formula for sin 2 theta. Then 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay. Now I am taking this is equation 3 and this portion I am taking I. Sorry, I already we took na. We take this portion is I1. Why I took I1? We need to find this value separately and again you need to substitute in equation 3. That's why. Consider I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. We need to find this value separately. That's why I am taking let 2x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x derivative 2, that equals to t derivative dt by dx. 2 dx is equal to dt. Now dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. In previous class we discussed when the variable is changed, automatically limits also changes. Here the variable is changed. Actually x is there, now it is t. Now we need to change upper limit as well as lower limit. Then first I am changing lower limit. What is lower limit? 0. Substitute in place of x. 2 into 0 is equal to t. That implies t value is 0. This is a lower limit. Next, similarly we need to change upper limit. What is upper limit? Pi by 2. Substitute in place of x. 2 into pi by 2 is equal to t. Now 2 gets cancel. Now t is equal to pi. This is upper limit. Now we can substitute these two limits in I1. Then therefore I1 is equal to, what is the lower limit? 0. What is upper limit? Pi. Log sin, in place of 2x I can take t, log sin t. In place of dx I can take 1 by 2 dt. But I am replacing the variable by keeping the limits changed. Then I1 is equal to 1 by 2 I will write outside 0 to pi log sin x. In place of t I am substituting x dx. but okay, here I have one property. This pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2 I am taking, because 2 gets cancelled pi. Now what is the property? Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Here condition, if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. Now according to this property, this integration can be written as I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 times of integral 0 to a means pi by 2 log sin x dx. Now 2 gets cancelled. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is nothing but what? I. Therefore, finally we got I1 is equal to I. I1 is equal to I. Substitute this value in equation 3. From equation 3, what is LHS in equation 3? 2I is equal to, what is RHS? I1. I1 means what? I minus. Here log 2 is constant, that's why I will write log 2 outside. Then what is remaining? 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. Okay. Now send this I this side. 2i minus I. That equals to minus log 2 into, what is integration of 1 x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. First you need to substitute upper limit, minus you need to substitute lower limit. Then I equals to minus log 2 into pi by 2 minus 0. Pi by 2 minus 0, that is nothing but pi by 2. Then I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. That is the final answer for this expression. Okay. Next question, exercise 7.11. Okay, last exercise in this chapter. Okay, first question, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. So we have one formula, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. I am applying this formula, that equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. So here 1 by 2 constant I will write outside. Now 0 to pi by 2 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now integrate separately, 1 by 2 into 1 integration x cos integration sin by inner function 2x derivative is 2. between the limits 0 to pi by 2. First, we need to substitute upper limit. What is upper limit? Pi by 2 in place of x. Plus 2 into pi by 2, 2 gets cancelled, sin pi by 2. Minus lower limit 0 plus sin 0, 0. Then 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus sin 180 value is 0. Then answer is pi by 4. This is the answer for the first question in this exercise. Coming to second question. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. How to find the value of this? Simple. First, given integration is I 0 to pi by 2 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. So here I am using one property. Which property? I am writing here integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So in place of x we need to substitute a minus x. A means what? Pi by 2. Then I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 under root of sin pi by 2 minus x by under root of sin pi by 2 minus x plus under root of cos pi by 2 minus x dx. For pi by 2 function will change. Sin is changed to cos and cos is changed to sin. Then I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. This is equation 2. Now I am adding 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, I plus I, what is 1? This is equation 1. Then I plus I, that is 2y, equals to 0 to pi by 2. What is the numerator in equation 1? Root sin x. Plus, what is numerator in equation 2? Root cos x. By both are having same denominator, what is that? Root sin x plus root cos x. Dx. Now both gets cancelled. Both gets cancelled means what is remaining? 1 is remaining. Then 2y equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. What is integration of 1 x? Then 2y is equal to x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. First you need to substitute upper limit minus you need to substitute lower limit, that is 2y is equal to pi by 2 minus 0. Then 2y is pi by 2. Then I equals to pi by 4. This is the value of I. Okay. Same model. We will discuss few problems. I am giving 2 questions homework. Same method you need to solve. Homework. Same method you can write I. You use this property. One more equation, adding 1 and 2. Both numerator denominator gets cancelled. 1 you will get, 1 integration is x, answer is pi by 4. For these two questions, answer is same, pi by 4. Okay, first question, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 3 by 2 x by sin power 3 by 2 x plus cos power 3 by 2 x dx. Same method. Answer also same. What is answer? Pi by 4. It is the third question. Fourth question, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5 x by sin power 5 x plus cos power 5 x dx. For these two questions, same this model and answer also same. What you will get? Pi by 4 you will get. You need to do these two questions in homework. Okay, next. Next question. Question number 5. Integral minus 5 to 5 mod x plus 2 dx. This model also very important. See how to solve this one. See here, lower limit is minus 5, upper limit is plus 5. You draw a number line like this. This is minus 5, this is plus 5. After minus 5, what you will get? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, like this. 0, 1, 2, like this. 3, 4, 5. Actually, what is the process? We need to verify in this portion it is plus or minus, in this portion it is plus or minus. Like that you need to check for every interval. But here so many are there. We need to check for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why it is very difficult to check for 10 intervals. That's why students, I will tell one shortcut method. Here what is the value? Plus 2. Here you take minus 2. Once again listen, here plus 2 is there, here you take minus 2. Here minus 2 is there, you take plus 2. Up to this negative. After this positive. It is a easy method to understood. If you take any value between minus 5 to minus 2, substitute this value. What is the value which is present in modulus? That is negative. Similarly, from minus 2 to 5, if you take any value between these two, if you substitute here, you will get positive. So, this is easy method to guess the symbols. Once again listen, here plus 2 is there, here you take minus 2. Up to minus 2 negative, after minus 2 positive. If you have any doubt, take any value between these two, substitute here. I am taking minus 4, substitute minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 is positive or negative? Negative. Similarly, between minus 2 to 5, take any value, substitute here. I am taking 0. Substitute 0 plus 2, 2. 2 is positive. That's it. Understood? Now, this integral can be divided into two parts. First part is minus 5 to minus 2. Why? Because nature is different. Here negative is there, so minus will come. Next, minus 2 to 5. Positive is there, that's why plus I wrote. Very easy. Understood? Up to here negative. After this one positive. Now integrate and substitute the limits. That equals to minus. What is integration of x? Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 2, 2x. Between the limits minus 5 to minus 2. Here also. Integration of x, x square by 2. Integration of 2, 2x. Between the limits minus 2, 5. First, we need to substitute upper limit. After that, lower limit. That equals to minus of, what is upper limit? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, 4. 4 by 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. This is upper limit. Next, minus lower limit. What is lower limit? Minus 5. Minus 5 whole square, 25 by 2. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Similarly, here first you need to substitute upper limit. What is upper limit? 5. 5 square, 25 by 2. 2 5 just 10. Minus lower limit. What is lower limit? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, 4. 4 by 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. If you simplify this, you will get answer. Okay, listen how to simplify. Minus 2 minus 4, minus 2. 25 by 2 minus 10, that is nothing but 5 by 2. Because 2 10 is 20, 25 minus 25. Similarly here 25 by 2 plus 10, that is 45 by 2. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 2, already minus is there, plus 2. If you simplify 2 2 just 4, minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, already minus is there, plus then 9 by 2. 2 2 just 4, 4 plus 45, 49 by 2. That is 58 by 2. That is 29. That is answer. Because 49 plus 9, 58 by 2, that is 29. Same model we will discuss. One more question, my dear students. You will understood easily. Okay. What is the question? Evaluate integral 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. Same model. Listen. Here what is lower limit? 2. Upper limit 8. This is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also no need to check for every portion. Not required. Here minus 5 is there. Here you take plus 5. In this portion negative. In this portion positive. If you have any doubt, take any value between 2 and 5. I am taking 4. 4 minus 5, minus 1, negative. You take any value between 5 and 8, 7. 7 minus 5, 2, positive. Okay. Now, this integration can be written as integral 2 to 5 minus symbol will come. Plus integral 5 to 8 plus symbol will come. Integrate and substitute the limits. Minus, I will write outside, x integration x square by 2 minus 5 integration 5x between the limits 2 to 5. X integration x square by 2 minus 5 integration 5x between the limits 5 to 8. First, we will substitute upper limit. What is upper limit? 5. 5 square 25 by 2. 5 5 just 25. minus. We need to substitute the lower limit. What is lower limit? 2. 2 square, 4 by 2, 2. Minus 5 2 just 10. Next again, upper limit. What is upper limit? 8. 8 square, 64. 64 by 2, 32. 5 8 just 40. This is upper limit. 32 this is. Next, lower limit. 5. 5 square, 25 by 2. Minus 5 5 just 25. Now simplify this, you will get final answer. Now 2 25 just 50. Now 25 minus 50 minus 25 by 2. 2 minus 10 minus 8, already minus is there, that is plus 8. 32 minus 40 minus 8. 25 by 2 minus 25 by taking LCM minus 25 by 2, already minus is there, plus 25 by 2. Now simplify. Minus half. Minus 25 plus 2 8 just 16 by 2. Minus 16 plus 25 by 2. Simplify. 16 minus 25 minus 9, already minus is there, plus 9 by 2. 25 minus 16, that is 9 by 2. That is nothing but 18 by 2. So answer is 9. So this is the next. In next session we will discuss few problems in this exercise. Thank you.